This one's going to have a little humor in it, but there's also some seriousness because I'm going to try to do this one without walking because I'm up on top of a hill, and I know I'll fall down if I do this, but this is in response to something that one of you guys put in a comment when we were discussing artificial intelligence. And this comment said something to the effect of, his videos can't be AI because of how bad they are, you know. And that really kind of made me think. It's like, it can't be AI because of how bad it is. And you know what? I think there's a lot of truth to that. If you look at videos and they look like they're perfect, there's not a thing wrong with them, then could be that it's AI. One of the things that really got me thinking about is form versus content. The AI videos, I'll tell you, they've got form mastered. The lighting, the avatars don't have a single pimple. They're not like me wearing the same outfit every day. The lighting is perfect, the background is perfect, the form of the video is absolutely perfect. But when you get to content, a lot of people have said what I thought, which was content-wise, it's kind of dry. It doesn't have any soul. It doesn't really speak to you. So that was just something I thought about. One of the ways you'll be able to tell that these are not AI is a crazy cough I've got. It's from a medication, and it gives you a dry cough is one of the side effects. And I'm going to get that changed in a couple days, and we'll see if that goes away. The other thing I did is I figured out on this GoPro how to make the background hopefully not get so jiggly. Should be able to move around with the background not going up and down. But yeah, one way to tell if a video is AI or not is how bad it is. And if it's bad, it's probably not AI, which, you know, is one way to look at it. But boy, it's getting closer and closer every day to where AI and real videos are about the same. So this time next year, might be really hard to tell the difference, but right now I'll keep making bad videos so that you'll know that they are not AI. Put down in the comments below, what are some of the signs that you see that a video is AI versus, you know, a human there? Like, I know they don't breathe, a lot of times they don't blink. Sometimes you see them with 6 fingers. And perfect posture is one of the things that gets me is, you know, you see somebody with perfect posture forever, and it's probably AI, and the voice is not coughing. So those are the things that I see. What do you guys see that makes it look like AI? And see if you agree with me or not. I don't care either way. Just let me know your opinion, because I learned from all of them as to whether or not you think AI has mastered form, but they're really still behind. I don't think they'll ever match a human in content unless they're doing some kind of fact-based video where it's just, you know, reciting numbers. And those are a lot of fun. But this is just a quickie. I love that comment. You know this guy's video's not AI because of how bad it is. It didn't hurt. It really got me thinking, and it actually put a smile on my face to know that that's how people can tell if I'm AI or not. So thanks a lot, and I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thank you.